At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
Welcome to the Farms.com Weekly Hog Report for February 21st, 2012. This is Michelle Emerant, Commodity Research Analyst for Farms.com Risk Management. This week we wanted to review the latest USDA baseline projections for the livestock sector. The report was released on February 13th, 2012 and provides the long-term projections for the agriculture sector to the 2021. In the long term, pork production is expected to rise over the next decade as feed costs decline, producers increase farrowings, breeding herd productivity increases, and slaughter weights rise. A gradual increase in per capita pork consumption is projected over the next decade as production rises and export gains moderate. Long-term gains in U.S. pork exports will be determined by the cost of production and environmental regulations relative to their competitors. Production efficiency in the sector is expected to boost the international competitiveness of U.S. pork. Pacific Rim nations and Mexico will remain the key markets for long-term pork growth, while Brazil becomes a larger competitor as they expand to Argentina and Asian markets, excluding Japan and South Korea. Russia is expected to decrease its demand for U.S. and Brazilian pork as they attempt to import less and become more domestic reliant. For feed prices in the short term, feed costs are projected to decline from their recent highs as productivity globally ramps up in response to the current high prices. In the long term, global demand growth for agriculture products, U.S. ethanol demand for corn, and European Union biodiesel demand for vegetable oils will bring prices for corn, oilseeds, and many other crops back up to historically high levels. Hog prices are expected to remain relatively flat in the short term, but then decline through 2017, after which they are expected to see moderate gains. That's all for this week. Have a nice weekend.